Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Lattice Deformer in Autodesk Maya. The Lattice Deformer is one of the easiest ways to make large shape changes to a model without manually moving hundreds of vertices. Whether you're adjusting proportions, creating stylized shapes, or making quick modeling changes, this tool can save a lot of time. So what exactly is a Lattice Deformer? Lattice Deformer surrounds your object with a cage made up of control points. Instead of editing the mesh directly, we manipulate these lattice points and Maya smoothly deforms the geometry inside the cage. Think of it like placing your model inside a flexible box that can be stretched, compressed, or reshaped. Let's see how it works. To create a lattice, select your object and go to Deform, then click on Lattice. As soon as we apply it, Maya creates a lattice cage around the object. Now, if I select a few lattice points and move them, you can see the geometry deforming smoothly. The great thing is that we're controlling larger portions of the mesh at once instead of editing individual vertices. This makes it perfect for broad shape changes and proportion adjustments. Let's try a few quick examples. We can quickly make the object wider. We can make it taller, or create more stylized and exaggerated shapes. All of this can be done in just a few seconds. Now let's look at some important settings that control how the lattice behaves. The first settings are S divisions, T divisions, and U divisions. These control the number of lattice points created in each direction. Lower values create fewer control points, resulting in broad and smooth deformations. Higher values add more control points, giving us finer control over specific areas. Next, we have the envelope attribute. This controls the overall influence of the deformer. At a value of 1, the deformation is fully applied. As we reduce it towards 0, the effect gradually fades until the object returns to its original shape. We also have local influence S, T, and U. These settings control how much neighboring lattice points influence each other. Lower values create more localized deformations, while higher values create smoother transitions across the mesh. This can help create softer deformations without increasing the number of divisions. The biggest advantage of the Lattice Deformer is speed. It allows us to reshape an object quickly while keeping the deformation smooth and editable. Instead of selecting dozens of vertices, we can achieve large changes using just a few control points. The Lattice Deformer is commonly used for character proportion adjustments, facial shape tweaks, product visualization, stylized modeling, animation corrections, quick concept exploration, and broad shape refinement. You can find all of these settings in the attribute editor, where you can continue adjusting the lattice even after it has been created. This makes it easy to refine your deformation at any point in your workflow. And that's the Lattice Deformer in Autodesk Maya, a simple but powerful tool that makes large-scale shape changes fast, flexible, and easy to control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Maya tutorials and deformer breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.